Hello and welcome. Today we're going to have a video on how to open a fridge. Thank you. So, have you ever been hungry and decided, we'll just go to the fridge and get something out? Next thing you know, you can't open it up. Now this could be because of a whole range of reasons. From the door got stuck, the fridge magnet is too strong, the handle came off, the whole door came off, or there's nothing in the fridge.
Cheese!
Now we are going to solve that problem. This is the fridge. This is the objective.
Has this ever happened to you? Can't get a fridge door open?
So we're faced with a problem here. And what are we going to do? I got it! I have come to the conclusion that we need a hand. Now, the second thing is you need grease to help loosen those joints. But of course, if you're like us, then sunflower oil can do the trick too. So once you've got the fridge nice and oiled or greased, it should be nice and easy to open it.
I still can't open it!
Use the handle!
Yeah.
Yeah, duh. Yes. Mission accomplished. Today. And it's going to be about...
Stop it!
Sorry, invasion. Oh, what the hell happened on the computer?